All right. So what I'm going for here is IELTS speaking practice and dating show. IELTS speaking practice and dating show. So we're going to speak English. We are going to speak a little English. I will ask you a question. All right. I will ask you a question and you can answer, and I will give you some IELTS advice. If you have any questions about the test, you can also ask a question, but you have to come on, right? So I want to hook you up. What's going on? Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining. Come on. Don't you know me? Okay. I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to. I don't know. Anyway, so what I'm going to do. I don't know what this says. This topic says DZ Lewin Cole taking your happy friend. You are happy return. I'm not sure what that means. We need to do IELTS practice. All right. Yes, I do remember Lee and Son High School. Of course. I made a lot of good friends at your school. Um, so yeah, I'm trying to do a sticker. I'm just trying to do a sticker to write something, but it just won't let me. Maybe one day I will go back to the school. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. There was a different company that hired me to work for the company, and they sent me to the school. If Lee and Son High School asked me to come back directly, I will try to come. Hung Noi Lok. Hello. Ariane, what's up? I really don't, right? Because you're supposed to be able to put questions in the background, but I just don't know how to do it. So yeah, someone jump in and let's speak some English. Let's do some what's that? No, I don't want a live goal. Let's practice IELTS. We're going to practice IELTS. All right. Jump in who is joined. We're going to do some IELTS questions, okay?
Hi.
How are you?
15.
You're 15. Okay, that's good. How are you? Are you good? Are you bad? Are you okay?